Hello everyone, this is Teacher Momo. My student is 9 minutes late, so making a video. I wanted to talk about my trip to the Gogokid's office in Beijing. As you all know, I did the Groupon tour, the very cheap Groupon tour, and one of the stops was in the city of Beijing. So prior to coming, I wrote a Facebook message to Gogokid to ask if I could come and check out the office. There was a little bit of miscommunication. I didn't directly respond yes, and then Dana wrote me on Facebook when I was in China. Unfortunately, I didn't have access to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, any of those things when I was in China. But it still worked out and I was able to visit the office. First, not all of the online companies will request or will grant your request to visit. Say ABC did not respond to my request to visit the office. So I'm very lucky that Gogokid was able to accommodate me. So I made it to the building. I made it to the building. It took me 30 minutes to find the office, what floor it was on. No one knew Gogokid because they are renting out a co-work space. But once I found it and I was able to get in contact with Donna, it was great. I was given a lunch there, decent standard lunch, and then I was able to walk around the building to see how massive it is. I've been teaching online for about 3 years. Gogokid is just one of maybe 5 to 7 companies I've worked with. I didn't really know what goes on besides sending messages and IT. And so just to see all of the departments and see how many people are working together to create the lesson plans, to create promotion, to support the teacher, it was really an insightful visit. I also did a quick interview. I don't think they have posted it yet to Facebook, but talking about my hometown. Thanks again for accommodating me. They weren't really prepared for me, but they were able to do that. I gave some tea from Ecuador. I hope they enjoyed the tea that I gave them. I got this lovely Gogokid shirt. I got the uni stuffed animals. And it was just a good vibe to see the people working together to see what's really going on. They asked me what I thought about Gogokid, if I could send a message to the staff and the parents. I said that I know some of the people on Facebook are complaining, angry, typing that they aren't getting a lot of classes, but I do think Gogokid is trying to help teachers with various workshops. I don't get a lot of bookings on Gogokid, but I have taken all of the workshops and I think it has improved my teaching skills online. I also am taking the TESOL certificate course online thanks to Gogokid, so I'm very grateful for that opportunity to improve my teaching skills as a professional for free. The parents, I wanted to thank them to taking a risk on diversity, taking a risk or taking the chance on diversity. I was just on Facebook last night, and some teachers were talking about the preference for, people who have blonde hair and blue eyes, and a teacher asked if she should dye her hair blonde, and all of the other teachers told her, yes, dye her hair blonde so she could get more bookings. So I don't really have the option of dyeing my hair blonde, putting on some blue contacts. It's not going to help me look like Barbie. So I do feel teachers of colors are supported here. I think they do have an opportunity to do well on Gogokid. I know several teachers who are getting steady bookings, and they are teachers of color. So I'm happy for the parents for having the opportunity to see the diversity of Americans, the diversity of English teachers. So overall, it was a very quick visit. Gogokid accommodated me, although I didn't directly say I was coming. Sorry about that miscommunication. But it was just great to see people working there, to see the relaxed environment there. It kind of reminded me of the offices that you see in Silicon Valley, where there's spaces for people to chill, communicate in a different non-office setting, couches and sofas, the eating area. So that's really great. And it was overall just good to see people working to make Gogokid a better company each day.